I feel sick, though.
Hey guys, what's up? Just picking Sam up from the dentist. He's probably told you about it already, but he's had 4 wisdom teeth out and he's pretty munted.
The drugs didn't do shit, mate. It's fucking... I felt everything. Like I'm numb, but like, fucking... Well, I'm not sedated in any way.
Yeah, alright mate, let's get you home, eh? Might be a bit graphic for the camera, maybe.
Baby. Look at those beauties.
What?
I actually am a little bit sedated because I had an extra dose.
I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, did they give you more?
So when I got up, I was like, oh, hello, a little bit woozy.
A little bit woozy.
Yeah. Need more old boy chocolates.
Oh, you like the chocolate ones, eh?
Yeah. I thought I'd be fucked. I'm actually sleeping.
You thought you'd be fucked?
Yes. I'm completely complacent.
You're completely complacent.
Yeah.
And ibuprofen.
You'll have to go fill my prescription for me in the morning.
So what did they give you?
Oh, hey mate! Yeah, I didn't even go under. I thought I could go under.
You were awake for the whole thing?
Yeah, like the whole thing. And the bit where he broke my tooth, he's like, oh, sorry, I paid to break your teeth. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, mate.
Are you going to get the wrist out? And he told me that, like, in the x-ray, I had a 2-prong tooth.
Yeah.
But I actually had a 3-prong.
You had a 3-prong.
You went down the right street.
What?
You went down the wrong street.
I know. I'm not even sedated, I went down the wrong street.
I reckon I could have driven home.
You could have driven.
Yeah, in the block, easy, man. I just sound retarded. I'm actually completely complacent.
Probably wouldn't have put your helmet on though.
Oh, yeah. You got a real big lip. It's just on my true Polynesian.
You got real big nips. Did you say?
Real big lip. It's my true Polynesian self.
Your true Polynesian self. Maybe you needed a fresh air to activate it.
I had the sleeping one.
Oh, the second one.
The second one was after I vomited.
Oh. Were you not supposed to feel whatever gag reflex because of the...
I don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything?
Yeah.
Oh, you look pretty...
I actually think it's kicking in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I wonder if Michaela will eat my teeth.
If Michaela will eat your teeth?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it eat them.
Probably not, but you could ask her.
She eats meat, it's like a meat. There's a little meaty bit stuck on the outside you can try. She's like, she eats a cow, so she might like my human flesh.
Should we go ask her?
Yeah, let's do that. They're broken.
They're broken.
I had to break them to get them in.
Whoa.
Get them out of my mouth.
That's pretty cool.
Also, I need you guys to help me get my script sorted out tomorrow.
Okay.
Because there's my pain relief. Currently, I will have pain tonight.
I'm sorry, what'd you say your name is? I didn't.
I didn't do that. I need tissues. I need tissues for my mouth.
What happened?
I think you should change the goal after 15 minutes. Is it 15?
He said 15 minutes. Change the gauze after 15
Oh shit, I'm bleeding.
Oh fuck.
I'll take that surgery.
Take it to the bathroom, please.
Go to the bathroom.
Actually getting it everywhere.
Go surgery. Avoid top food and drink. Alcohol, rigorous physical activity. Oh my god, it's so much! in there, playing with the wound, inventing a mouth, trampling to your cold or warm fluid in eat hot fits at the throat. Avoid swinging at the still 18 long. This paracetamol or prescribed this for pain relief. It is recommended that you start this before the anesthesia wears off. Slight oozing of blood is normal. If significant bleeding occurs, place a gauze or cotton pad over the bleeding site and apply pressure by wiping down firmly for 15 to 30 minutes. This may need to be repeated if bleeding is excessive and uncontrolled by pressure. Contact your dentist to minimize the swelling. An iceberg, small frozen peas may be held on the side of the face. Apply for the 10-15 minutes every hour, day of surgery. And the day after surgery, it is essential to keep one degree. It seems pretty straightforward, Nick. Holy fuck, there's a lot of blood. There's a lot of blood. Oh, I feel unsafe. Maybe I should swap the gauze out.
I think that's what the gauze is for.
How to get out of my mouth?
What do we get another?
It's such a good time. I can't control my lip. It just keeps rolling down. My whole chin is numb. There's just something. Michaela, don't leave your sanitary pads in the sink. Jesus, woman.